Hi everyone, I just wanted to introduce myself. So I'll be your Computer Basics CMP-106 instructor. My name is Renee Tatro, and we'll be communicating via Blackboard and emails if you have questions. I have office hours on Monday through Thursday, and I'll be sending you a link with the Zoom link so that you can attend. And they're open sessions, so if you have a question that you'd like to go over or an assignment, I'll be glad to have you pop in and visit. Otherwise, if you need to, we can set up private Zoom meetings to go over anything for the course. I have videos for every assignment that you will complete during the course. But if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out, and I'll try and help you as much as I can. This is difficult, I understand. We're doing everything remotely, but I'm here to help you and guide you through and help you learn more of computer basics with the Microsoft Office suite. So I hope you enjoy the class and learn some interesting new features. Thank you, and we'll be in touch.